This is the Insta360 X5 and this is the Insta360 X4. Both are powerful 8K 360 action cameras, but the X5 here, it takes things to a whole new level. From better low light performance to a smarter design and longer battery life, Insta360 gave creators a serious upgrade this year in the X5. So without further ado, let's break it all down. Let's talk about what's new with the X5 and let's talk about if it is worth upgrading from the X4 if you have one. At first glance, the Insta360 X5 and X4 look pretty similar. Both are sleek, compact, and built for action. The X5, however, makes some smart upgrades. It has a slightly larger screen, a redesigned button layout, and a bigger battery. The biggest physical change here, though, are the user replaceable lenses. So let's say you scratch or damage one of your lenses during a shoot. That's not a problem now because you can easily swap it out yourself with Insta360's replacement kit. There's no repairs and no downtime. There's also a built-in wind guard now over the mic port, which is something that the X4 doesn't have. This means the X5 gives you cleaner sound straight out of the camera. Alright guys, so we're out here on a scooter ride and this is an audio comparison between the Insta360 X5, which you're hearing right now, and the Insta360 X4, which you're hearing right now. How does that wind guard improve the outdoor sound? Well, from what I heard back, the X5 sounds significantly better than the X4, but I'll let you guys be the judge. We got wind going here, we got cars going by, we have birds chirping, all the usual nature stuff, so I'll let you guys be the judge if that new wind guard gives it a edge over the X4. Now let's talk about video quality. The X4 already shoots stunning 8K 360 footage. Since I got it last year, I've taken it on countless trips with me and it never disappoints, especially in daylight conditions. The X5, however, steps it up a notch. With 3 image processing chips instead of 1, it delivers better dynamic range, cleaner detail, and smoother all-around performance. You especially notice this when you're editing and reframing in camera. It's faster and more responsive. Side by side in daylight conditions, it's tough to tell the difference in the footage between these two cameras. The major difference comes when the lights go down. Not only does the X5 have a larger sensor, but it also has a new pure video mode that makes it a beast in low light conditions. As you can see, the X5 handles these conditions worlds better than the X4 does. It captures more detail, more color, and way less noise. It gives you much more versatility with your footage. The X5 also introduces an InstaFrame Mode, which is a huge time saver when editing. Instead of scrubbing through hours of 360 footage trying to find the perfect angle, InstaFrame uses AI to automatically detect the most engaging subjects and frames your shots accordingly. It gives you ready-to-share clips in just a few taps. This is perfect for those who want to shoot, edit, and post as fast as possible. Battery life also got a noticeable boost here. As mentioned earlier, the battery is slightly larger in the X5. With the X4, you could get around 135 minutes on a single charge, which was pretty solid. However, the X5 pushes that up to 185 minutes. Of course, all of this depends on your shooting conditions, but still, it adds up when you're out and about filming all day. Even better is that it finally offers fast charging via USB-C. In my initial testing, the X5 consistently outlasted the X4 in similar shooting conditions. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference when you're on the move capturing content. So, should you upgrade to the Insta360 X5 if you have the X4? Well, if you're mostly filming in bright daylight and you love your X4, it is still a great camera. It holds up really well. The footage is impressive out of it, but if you want better performance across the board, especially in low light, audio clarity, and processing speed, the X5 is a big step forward. It's built for creators who push their gear and need more flexibility on the go. The removable lenses, the better battery life, the faster charging, it all adds up to make it the much more versatile camera of the two. The X5 isn't just a small step up from the X4. It's a well-rounded upgrade that improves upon just about everything. Whether you're a seasoned 360 shooter or just getting into immersive content, this camera gives you more tools to create, and at the end of the day, that's the best thing that you can ask for out of any camera. Well, that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, what do you think of the Insta360 X5? Does this look like a camera that you would use? Does it look like an upgrade to the X4? Drop a comment and let me know below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!